हेलो ऑल एंड वेलकम टू रैंडम थॉट्स विद अनिकेत बर्वे। सो आज डिस्कस करेंगे सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर्स और ऑनलाइन कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स के बारे में। द इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एंड कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स ऑनलाइन मार्केट अ नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज एंड गिव आउट सम कूपन कोड्स ऑफ 10% और 20% डिस्काउंट।
क्रिप्टो ले लो, क्रिप्टो इथेरियम बिटकॉइन, क्रिप्टो शिबा ले लो, शिबा क्रिप्टो।
Tax authorities globally have now realized that these social media influencers make good amount of money and now they have to be reminded about their tax liability as well. शुरुआत किया है by United Kingdom. UK's HMRC or His Majesty's Revenue Council has given out notices to 2,300 social media influencers to pay their taxes. Another innovative technique used by the HMRC is to issue nudge letters to more 2,000 social media influencers to simply remind them about the tax consequences of their income. Nudge letter is something which is not authoritative as law, but it gives you a hint or is indicative of the message that some sender wants to send. The best example of a nudge is, say, if you want to encourage people to use stairs instead of lift. So on every step, you will write the number of calories which the person might lose if he uses stairs. UK के न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट्स में ये भी लिखा है कि there are some experts who point out differences between a social media influencer and digital content creator. But as far as tax authorities are concerned, ये फ़र्क से उन्हें कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है, सबको अपने टैक्स ड्यूज भरने ही पड़ेंगे. Similarly, the Australian tax authorities have also started issuing huge notices to social media influencers who underpay their taxes on luxury items which they receive from manufacturers in lieu of cash payment. So most of these influencers get less money in terms of cash and more money in terms of goods or gifts, or which is also called as perquisites in terms of taxation from the manufacturers. अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें तो there is a section called as 194R in the Income Tax Act which is introduced in 1st July 2022. As per this section, if any person gives any benefit or perquisite to a resident Indian above 20,000 rupees, a tax deduction at source or TDS of 10% has to be made. So now this section is not specifically targeting social media influencers, but the way in which it is written, the social media influencers and online content creators will definitely get covered under 194R of Income Tax Act. ओवरऑल अगर हम देखें एंड इवन न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट्स भी पढ़े तो वी रियलाइज दैट दिस इन्फ्लुएंसर प्रजाति हैज़ वेरी लेस अवेयरनेस अबाउट द टैक्स कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस ऑफ द बेनिफिट्स दो मॉनेटरी और नॉन मॉनेटरी विच दे अर्न. वेटिंग फॉर योर थॉट्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. नमस्ते.